Right, here's the three-legged puller. She goes up and down, constraints, comes up, just cancel that out. Pin, the bolt screws in and out, pops it off. And the way this works is it all locks in around a threaded collar. Here's your threaded collar. Here's your lock nut. That screws the yokes for both the two-legged. Here's where it explodes out. Two-legged view. Alright, so the pin comes out. That goes up and down, and there's the washer. So the washer goes on top. This actually screws in. If we look in here, there's a thread in here. So the threaded collar screws up in there. Lock nut screws down, that locks it in for the two opposing thread lock. And the pin can go through and work as a puller. So this is a two-legged with the bearing separator. There's a three-legged jobby, and then here's three-legged drawing. The two-legged drawing, as you can see, it's all out of whack, so it's blown out this one. And of course the parts, there's all the parts. I'll dimension all that up. That way when they make the two-legged yoke, they're using I assume an end mill, maybe a slab, do this major machining. Then they've got to bore out the center. Maybe not bore, they mightn't have a head big enough to bore it out. Might need to drill and ream. They'll definitely need to bore this bit out, so there's a bit of boring in there. That starts its life as a solid block, which they then turn in a 4-jaw chuck. They've got to make these little bolts here up as well. Spacers, the three-legged yoke, the links, and the legs, as well as his collar. So I reckon that's a pretty good assessment for those 3 units of study. Nice, challenging project. I'll see how it goes.